Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable and customize game mode for Razer Blackwidow V3. And to do this you need to download Razer Synapse app on your PC. Now click on Razer Blackwidow V3 in the dashboard, and then when you scroll down or opening this app in full window, then you can, in the full screen, then you can see the gaming mode in the customize set. Then we can enable it in games, so that means it will launch automatically with any game. Always on will turn it on in the entirety of a keyboard. And here you can customize to disable the Alt tab and also to disable the Alt F4 during this mode, when this mode is enabled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.